Have you ever wondered how people spot coins on time? Welcome back to this channel. I'm going to be taking you on how to spot the next 100x token while trading Dgens. Okay, so today we'll be looking at Dexscreener. Dexscreener is a tool we use for Dgen trading, especially for trading Dgens. Now, when we talk about Dgens in crypto, we're actually talking about tokens that are high risk, high reward tokens. They are high risk in the sense that they have high use cases. Okay, there are thousands and millions of scams coin and also good tokens on this desk screener designed to undo people, so that while it is a high risk, but you are be lucky actually to spot a good token. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you an example here. Let's say for example, go to this coin cruise. Let me tap it. All right, as you can see, it has done 700,000% in the last 24 hours. So this is it here. Okay, and it's still going high. Okay, that means with $100 invested in this coin in the last 24 hours, that means you are making almost $700,000 with a market cap of 2.8 million market cap. Look at it over here. I hope you can see my cursor. With a lot of engagement, you can make massive gain. You can actually make massive profit with it. So anything you are coming here to do, just use what you can afford to risk, okay, or to lose. Now, what is the first thing? The first thing to do is you want to spot a good opportunity. Okay, so first thing first is go to your Play Store and download Dexscreener. Once you download it, change. If you let me go back. So look at how it looks like. Then if you look down here, you're going to be seeing 24 hours Solana and the rest under. Okay, so now after downloading it, this place that there is 24 hours, you can easily change it to 6 hours. The last, you can see coins there for that is being listed in the last 5 minutes, last 1 hour, but I usually use 6 hours. Okay, let me tap on it. Any project or coin that comes immediately here, you're going to see it. So next is, let's go to chains. This is our chain. This is our chain. So anyone you want to check, is it on Solana, is it on Base, is it on BS, anyone, just tick on the one you want. Like me, I am using Solana for an example. Okay, right, next is sort pairs. So look at it over here, sort pairs. You can go here, you can likely look at most volume, most volatility, pairs, liquidity, anyone you want to concentrate on. You can set it to highest market cap as well, okay, or lowest market cap. Okay, so anyone you want to, you can always do that. Okay, let me go back. So yeah, in this place, liquidity, look at liquidity over here. Okay, when it comes to liquidity, just tap on it and you select the one you want. Okay, let's just go for this. Now when we say liquidity, what are we really talking about? We are talking about the amount of tokens that are used to facilitate transaction or to aid transaction. This liquidity can either be locked or unlocked. Every coin you must trade must have enough liquidity to fasten transaction. Okay, so now let me open the coin that I opened before. Let me open it again. I'll show you something. Just hold on. Okay, all right. If you have any coin in mind, if you don't have in mind, you can go to any trending one and you click on it. If you have in mind, you can just come here, come to the search bar, and you type on the one you want. All right, this is the coin I want to use for an example with this video. Okay, you can actually see that this coin is already doing well. It has 2.5 million market cap. Now take a look at this. Any coin without picture here, please, it's a risky coin. Do not venture into this kind of coin. Okay, then also check on the liquidity. Make sure it's locked. This place, make sure it's locked. Wow, it's already burnt. As you can see, it's already burnt, which is good. It's a good sign. I'm just showing you how to know good coin. Then when you go down, just scroll down, and these are the contract address if you want to buy them. Okay, this is the contract address you want to buy it. Now when you come over here, you can see this skyrocket 182. I can see the red 58. Okay, and now you can see this transaction. Okay, you can see the volume here, 7.8 transaction, almost 46k. Okay, now I'm going to explain what that let me explain what this place means. This rocket sign means it has a good figure, okay, that people are really, buying the coin. Why? If you see this red one, if this red one is higher than this rocket, then it's a red flag. Do not. But if this figure here is higher than this, then you can go in for it. That is just, it just shows it's one of the signs to know that yes, that people are saying that this token is doing well. Okay. Right, if you want to buy this token, just click on trade. You use Phantom or use Soulflare, or you can also open in browser. So once you click on it, it will take you to your wallet, so you can easily connect your wallet. So let me just show you an example. Let me go back. I don't just want to do anything. Okay, let me show you through browser. Okay, look at it here. So this is the place you are going to connect your wallet. Okay, once you click on browser, then if you have wallet, you just click on the wallet you have. You don't, you create and you come here and you connect it. Okay, so these are how to use this is the way to use Dexscreener. It's not all that difficult. One thing you should know is you can don't buy any coin without picture. Then you should also use the red flag. You should also know the volume, the transactions, the market cap. So select your option, and please watch out for the next video. Thanks. Subscribe and follow me on my social media channels, and bye.